Go Chloe and Lila. Yeah. Hello, guys. There, coach. Yeah. Good. How you doing? We got 2 rotating centers. Everybody's lined up, matched up on their wings. Got you 2 solutions.
I debated this so hard that. I was like, yeah, I should.
All good?
I don't think it is.
Perfect. All right, girls, quick kicks. Hard. When you sub in, go back behind the bench. Too deep.
Good pressure, good pressure.
I can't do it. I don't have pressure, guys.
Remember,
I'm going to lose all my things if I'm not getting
they're getting frustrated. They go. First game. Take it. In the battle. Bring it to the neck.
Sometimes you just put your chest up, turn around and go, and other days you're in the same pool. So I kind of want to register. Turn, go, go, go! Nice!
Let's roll it, roll it, roll it. Gotta get down to the side, girls. Gotta get to the side. Get it, girls. Win it. I got some of the things here. Great. Autumn, just real quick. I know, I'm not picking on you. I know, I got something for you.
Cover D, Gemma! On the board, points! That's it.
Get in there, Care! Get in there, Care!
Oh, good play! Nobody there.
Get in there! Autumn! Got it, hon!
Stay on the line, Lana. Stay on the line. Stay on the line. Number 10 really does not like her. Don't get into her. Oh, now he's wide open. Get back on him.
That's right in the back of her head. Mr. Ref. Mr. Ref.
Wait till he faces us.
Guys, stay in the game. Stay in the game. Mr. Ref. Can I have a minute? Isn't there any additional for hitting in the back of the head on that one? No, we need that. Okay, thank you. No. Stay in our game. We don't let the emotions take over, okay? Stay
Why
on
is
your
the clock
game.
going?
Stay on your game. Girls, stay on your game. Are you listening right now?
Is that what he's addressing there now?
The clock's not running.
Yeah, I never have. I told your counterpart in the room with another finally.
John? Hey, we have 4 minutes, John?
Yeah, 4 minutes.
2 minutes. I'd like to have like a full
Why do you do it at the end? Chris, why do you do it the last 2 minutes? That's what I'm saying. It's alpha minor. Let's go. Roll the normal line. Get back, get back. Take it deep in, deep in. That's it, shut her down. Who's up? Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. What do you got going? Wait. Go. What do you got next? Oh!
Roll it normal.
Let's get
Who's supposed to go that one?
Gemma.
Gemma and Gemma. Come on out, Gemma. And then we'll get Lila to come up.
Gotta reset out too.
What happened? I don't really know. I can speak, but like her stick was like that's like up my neck. Yeah. Are you sure?
Hey, back to regular. Back to regular. That's great job.
Should reset down to 2. There we go.
And
Keep going, girls. Keep it going.
Stop!
Remember, you want to set it up. It's okay to park in behind the net. It's okay to go in the corners. If we don't have a good shot, don't take it. You have time to set up. Skate around, wait till somebody's open. Those opportunities, like go in behind. You don't be pressured. When they fire it in, you got to attack. Go, girls, take it up. Oh! You guys are going back trying out there now. That's it. Okay, so. Go, Adele.
Ready, Adele?
No, just get out.
Oh, I thought you said Adele.
No, I said just go. Nice go, Adele.
Hey, nice shit. You have that pump and you can get it in down low. Bring it in, okay? Bring it in. Get that go, go. Come out. Change bottles? Number 10 is the real high school. Keep it up. Nice try. That's a nice try they did.
Almost. They were quick.
Roll it, roll it, roll it.
It was a quick shift.
I know.
Go, go, quick.
Nice hard work.
I know, she's quick. You did.
I can't feel my toes.
No, I can't feel my face. My fingers. I got a nose. I didn't get to leave the door open at night. Way to go. There you go. You're right. I made it. You're good. 14 seconds. Get her out.
Max protect in front of that net. Only 14 seconds. Still letting the girls shoot the front.
Just take an extra second. Usually.
Remember last time like
What? I forgot to count them.
This is how we doing across that blue line. I want to before we can remember. They're getting nervous because of all of this energy we're bringing, okay? You keep on looking, you keep on exploring the weakness, and this is what the weakness is. Okay? Let's keep this going.
They're getting feisty, they're getting pissed off because they know they're getting outplayed, okay? Don't be hitting back. Don't you
no hitting back.
Let's go.
You look so well. You look freezing. I don't envy you guys. Yeah, no, like I was saying, that's perfect. You took your time, you didn't automatically win it. You just took a second, you woke up and made that pass. Get back. Good job, Johnny!
You'll get a big one on that one, girls.
Good job,
Right. Tyler, make sure, hon.
Let's put going back on. I'm not going to change on the fly.
Good job, Jenny.
Man, let's get together counter in that.
Get ready. Let's go.
Go! Good pass, good stop up. Go. Close guns.
Nice try, girl.
Good stop up behind the net and hit your way. That's perfect.
What the fuck is my wrist? I kicked my wrist. I guess I whacked
Get there.
Get ready.
No, put some mustard on it. Turn bird. Keep that in. Go. Keep it in. Go. Good. Get on her.
Like hit me, like hit the stick. Just hit the stick. Oh, turn around, not that.
Good kick to that.
I know.
I feel like see him on scoreboard though. Oh, good try. Good job.
Rolling down the board.
Oh, you get that in. Good job, Chloe.
Go!
Hey, Chloe. Marie just keep that in at the line. I thought for sure it was coming in. That was an unreal feat. We're on.
Oh, get down! Field goal. Nice try. All the way in.
What?
Get in there, keep it in.
Like in there? Like not skating? No. That's you?
Keep it in.
She's gonna count the like 9 times out of 10. She's gonna count it for that.
Take it in, huh?
Yeah. But don't make it not like for one guy when you're swimming. Just fall forward. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Put on. Get there.
Look at it, Billy. Nice job. Get in there.
Is that? Yeah,
Go!
they're really cheap.
Ball, Billy, you gotta get that. Billy, keep it low. Get ready, Billy. Get ready. It's coming. Score. Out,
She talked crap about us when I got here. I was listening to her. See, another one fell. Stay fun. Get there.
Accurate now. Cut it, all right.
keep going. Go front.
There you go. Good job, good job.
Keep going.
Hey, Tina, I wonder about it.
Nice try, Mel. Go.
Good poke, good poke.
Get back. Nice job, Mel. Get ready.
Bro, Adele's so good, like he's skating. Trip on Adele's foot. Tina, why
Nice. That's a break. She's gonna get a good shot there.
They are feisty. Number 10 to number 8. Well, number 8 last team went to get off and now it's number 10.
Get there. Run. Good try.
Right to the spot and then right to your
I feel like you got Beaker go like hot.
and move through the road.
Well, anything off her legs seems pretty good. If you can get people to get in front of that and just throw it off her legs, she'll kick rebounds right to us.
No, but you backed up towards the middle. You saw them there, and then as soon as you start moving the puck, you know they're good. They back up because they're nervous.
Get there.
They tighten up and they get back. And they give you all over the place. So recognize it.
We're on.
Someone's got to be there.
And then they react.
Pressure. Man on. Your puck though, man on.
Man on! Gotta beat Lila.
Go other side. Come on, Jerry, get through the puck.
Are ya?
I asked for the back part. I don't know who is behind me. Someone's broadcast. You don't feel like you know who's
That's what I said. Good job, winning that battle, fellas. Get there. Good job. Yep.
Gotta get it quick. Andy, right away, hon, right away. When you see it, do it like right away, okay? When you see the other side, do it like as fast as the puck goes out.
Go. Get to the net. Keep your stick on the ice.
Get back.
Dump it in. See over. Oh my gosh, she's gonna score, right? One. Good job, though. You had a good rush.
Man, I was so close. I was just stuck in the red.
See how she crosses her body on a Bouctouch? She will bring her glove over to catch it instead of just walking away. She's going to mess up. No, good work. Keep going. Patience on her, right? Yes. Love the patience there. She didn't shoot right away. She took it. She took her time. She took the space, and she made it happen. Good job. 5, 4, 3.
Jenny!
Unreal zone to break, but you got this.
We have to stay, we do not go up, down it, don't let it up on the third. It feels good not to have a lead in this, because sometimes you're like, we're up here. So then, we're sending them, the same our customer points, right? We're sending them on that.
Defense, we don't want to be messing around with the puck, so the battles have got to be out here. So when you have the puck, it's got to be off the boards near the blue line, okay? If we try to come out with it and then we ice it, we're not doing any favors. Let's get it out over the blue lines. Our forwards are charged. They want to go in with it.
And to John's point, you don't need to have any heroes coming from the back. You've done your job, defense.
Awesome.
Get out, move that puck up fast so that we can advance this puck up and keep the puck on the other end.
Keep the battle up here, right?
Okay, let's go.
Keep it in the center.
That's your puck. Now let's bring it home.
Jenny?
Donuts? Yeah!
It's all right. We'll be in school tomorrow, nice and warm. Oh, we are too. We might not have a school. They're calling 30 centimeters out here. Yeah, they're calling a lot of stories. Wait over inside, outside, beforehand. That was a good inside outside. Perfect. You wanted to get to your forehand, you got it. Up corner. Just all metal up there though. You tired? You alright? Good? You're just cold, aren't you? You've been out here for an hour and a half. Mine are thick. Are you just that frozen? All right, good. Oh, good try. Okay, back it up. Right here. All the way in. That's right. And one go. Okay, next one, go. If that's what you want to fake like a backhand, so you go for it, then you pull it in your forehand. I go back and show her. Come on, get that puck out. Go, get it, Go hard. Shut her down. Okay, center. Set up, stay back, Adele. Get back! Lydia, back! Back! Okay, go! You're playing dirty, girls. Keep it up.
Promise it's pretty hot. You just don't feel it yet. Yeah. Are your hands cool? Yeah.
How was that done?
Yeah.
Try, oh, back it up. Good job, Aaron. Better.
Good job.
That's it. Nice pass. Nice. That's it. Go, get turn, girls. Bailey. Bailey. No, Bailey, no. All the way. Well, we only got 2 seconds. The rotate, right? And the next we'll have Dell go with. So we'll leave them for a second. get it out. And I need our right wing. I need Maya. You've got Lulu. You've got Autumn. Melody, you got the box. Okay. If we have a whistle, you got like 20 seconds left. Got that red thing somewhere. Maya, you gotta get on them hard. Don't let up. Can't let them have the puck. Hey, bounce, go, go! Good try, man. Chris, you want to go 1D? 1D and we'll stick Olivia on. 25 seconds. Too late. Too late. Yeah, I know. What I'm trying to do is take two forwards up and 1D so Olivia can come right on. Okay, go, 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 go.
Good shift out there, girl. Closing. We're gonna go closing. Close.
We still got 5 though. You're playing good.
Who's in front? In
We
front!
got your line thermal here. Just everything out. We're only playing 1 deep in, 2 up high, right? Right! Right! Right, girls, right!
What time do you want me from one?
We're back to the board.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Okay, got it coming. Ready? Good. Now. Get it out on the board! Yeah, let me get a whistle. Quick! Oh, way too late. Gotta be quicker.
Bring it out, Sam! Out! Bring it out, Sam!
We just got that out earlier, we'd be battling up here. Now we're battling down there, and now we're getting penalty. Give it a second. Bring it in, girls. Bring it in. Bring it in. Hip.
Okay, girls off. Kara. I want Lilo out. Okay. Hang back. You're going to be hang right up the blue line. You're the only one attacking. So you're attacking. You're getting, we want her to pop out. So you're going to come down here. We're aiming at this floor.
I'm saying that she's going up higher.
Okay? But I want you primarily.
Yeah.
I'll give you the first line. She's going to be attacking us front. Okay? Sound good? Let's go, girls. Shot. Yeah, no, I do. I want to.
Who's going next? You just think.
What's your reload? The reload. Nearly up. Gem, the last one, are going to be doing the same with the next game. Gary, Gem, up. So Gemma, you're on with Bailey. Okay? Short shift for Karen. Okay? Makes sense?
So you're going to take a Dell. You're going to take this. You're going to take a Dell. And I need the right wing. I need Para. I need the right wing. You take a Lilu. Jenna, you're going to have the box. That way I have a right wing already out there and the left wing over has to rotate. In the zone behind. Gotta get it out! Get it out! Hold the goalie, and you just get it off the board. All we're concerned with.
One of those donuts. My hands are freezing.
So I was outside with my hands and I had to take them upstairs. I think the gloves are kind of damp.